Assalamualaikum class 9th. Hope you all will be good. We are doing unit number 12, 3 days to see. Half chapter I have done in my previous lecture. Today date is 24/7/2020. It's my 23rd lecture and day is Friday. So we were reading about Helen Keller and she wished that if she has sight for 3 days. उसकी ये ख्वाहिश थी कि अगर 3 दिन के लिए उसकी आई साइट वापस आ जाए तो what she wants to see. On first day she wants to see the friends and the relatives who were kind to her and who make her life worth living. वो उन सब से मिलना चाहती थी जिनको वो जानती है और जिसकी वजह से उसकी ज़िंदगी रहने के काबिल हुई है. और सेकेंड डे शी वांट्स टू सी सन राइजिंग. वो सूरज को तलू होते हुए देखना चाहती थी. एंड शी आल्सो वांट्स टू सी द हिस्ट्री ऑफ मैनकाइंड. शी वांट्स टू सी द पास्ट एंड प्रेजेंट ऑफ मैनकाइंड. So we have done paragraph number 1 till paragraph number 6. I am going to start paragraph number 7. The following morning means the same, the second morning. I should greet the dawn, anxious to discover new delights, for I am sure that for those who have eyes which really see the dawn of each day must be perfectly new revelation of beauty. So she is saying that on second day she wants to greet means welcome the dawn, welcome the sunrise. सबसे पहले वो सूरज को तुलू होते हुए देखेगी और उसको वेलकम करेगी, उसको खुशामदीद कहेगी. anxious to discover new delights and she will discover new happiness of the day. For I am sure, she said that I am sure that for those who have eyes which really see the dawn of each day must be perfectly new revelation of beauty. So the person who has eyes and who see the sun rising every day, they will explore. Revelation means explore of beauty. वो खूबसूरती को जान जाते होंगे because it is the perfect example of beauty that sun is rising and sun is changing the world. The night is changed into a day. For Helen Keller it is very बिग मिरेकल फॉर हर. उसके लिए एक बहुत बड़ा मौजज़ा था, एक बहुत बड़ी खूबसूरती की मिसाल थी कि वो सूरज तलू होते हुए देखेगी. दिस अकॉर्डिंग टू द टर्म ऑफ माई मिरेकल इज़ टू बी माई थर्ड एंड लास्ट डे ऑफ साइट. सो नाउ शी इज़ गोइंग टू टेल द थर्ड डे ऑफ साइट कि तीसरे दिन वो क्या देखना चाहेगी. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द टर्म ऑफ माई मिरेकल is to be my third and last day of sight. So the next miracle she wants to explore on the third day of her sight. यानी तीसरे दिन भी वो मौज़ात को देखना चाहेगी उसके मुताबिक, क्योंकि because she don't have eyesight and everything is new for her. So whenever she will see anything on third day it will also a miracle for her. यानी तीसरे दिन भी जो भी वो ऑब्ज़र्व करेगी, जो भी वो देखेगी दुनिया में, वो उसके लिए एक मौजज़े से कम नहीं होगा कि वो एक मौजज़ा होगा, वो हैरान कुन चीज़ होगी उसके लिए. सी द क्वेश्चन, व्हाट डज द रेवलेशन ऑफ ब्यूटी मीन्स टू हर. सो द रेवलेशन ऑफ ब्यूटी मीन्स टू हर दैट शी कैन फील द ब्यूटी ऑफ नेचर एंड कमिंग ऑफ स्प्रिंग. वट एवर शी विल सी इट विल बी द ब्यूटी ऑफ नेचर फॉर हर. कि वो दुनिया में जितनी भी खूबसूरती है उसको देखना चाहती थी. सी पैराग्राफ नंबर 8. आई शैल हैव नो टाइम टू वेस्ट इन रिग्रेट. रिग्रेट मीन्स बी सॉरी, यानी पछताना. वो कहती मेरे पास ज़ाया करने के लिए और पछताने के लिए कोई वक्त नहीं है. फॉर लॉन्गिंग मीन्स डिज़ायर. सो शी हैज़ मैनी डिज़ायर्स एंड शी डोंट वांट टू वेस्ट हर टाइम and she don't want to regret that on third day. What she want to see, there is so much to see, so she wants to see so much things on third day. The first day I devoted to my friends, animated and inanimated. So on first day she devoted to see the friends. Animated means who has life and inanimated who don't have life. Inorganic यानी जो एनिमेटेड है और जो इनएनिमेटेड है उन सब को वो अपना फ्रेंड मान रही है. लिविंग एंड नॉन लिविंग बोथ आर हर फ्रेंड. सो शी वांट्स टू मीट हर फ्रेंड्स ऑन फर्स्ट डे. द सेकंड रिवील्ड to me the history of man and nature. So on third day she wants to see the history of man and nature. She wants to explore nature and she wants to know about the history of man. Today means third day. Today I shall spend in the work a day world of the present. So she wants to see the persons who are working in the world at present. So she wants to spend the day about the work of the man. Aimed the hearts of man. हार्ट्स मीन टेरिटरी, यानी जो उनका रहने का तरीका, जो उनके घर हैं उनको देखेगी. एम्ड मीन्स उसका जो मकसद होगा, जो उसका गोल होगा. द हार्ट ऑफ मैन गोइंग अबाउट द बिजनेसेस ऑफ लाइफ. सो द मैन काइंड इज गोइंग फॉर देयर different businesses of life. She will observe them, what they are doing and how they are performing their duties, what they are doing their work at present, कि वो इस वक्त किस तरह से काम कर रही हैं. And where can one find so many activities and conditions of man as in New York. New York is the name of a city. So in the city of New York, how the man can do his work and perform many activities, बहुत सी जो सरगर्मियाँ हैं वो कैसे परफॉर्म करेगा, और and conditions and how the man will handle different conditions in New York City. So she wants to see how the man is working and living their life, how they deal with the businesses of life, and how the persons of New York is doing work. So the city becomes my destination. Destination means purpose. इसलिए जो शहर है यानी न्यूयॉर्क शहर है वो उसकी डेस्टिनेशन होगी, वो इसका जो है ठिकाना होगा, मंजिल होगी. सो ऑन थर्ड डे शी वांट्स टू सी full New York City and she wants to observe how the man is doing their work, how they are doing their different jobs. Why has she no time to waste in longing? So she has no time to waste in longing as there is so much to see in New York City. She wants to see the workplaces of men and their businesses of living. So she wants to see the New York City. Her purpose was to see the city. That's why she don't have time to waste. यानी उसके पास वक्त ज़ाया करने के लिए वक्त वो ज़ाया नहीं कर सकती थी अपनी ख्वाहिशात के पीछे, क्योंकि उसने उस दिन न्यूयॉर्क सिटी को विज़िट करना था और लोगों के जितने भी वर्क हैं, जितने भी काम हैं, जितनी भी जॉब्स हैं उनको ऑब्ज़र्व करना था. सी पैराग्राफ नंबर 9. Now and then I have tested. Now and then here means sometimes, यानी कभी कभार मैं जायज़ा लेती थी. Tested mean to test someone. Tested my seeing friend to discover what they see. So sometimes she tested her friends who has eyesight and she wants to know what her friends are see or observe or discover in the world. कभी कभी वो अपने जो फ्रेंड्स हैं उनको टेस्ट करती थी जिनकी आई साइट थी कि वो इस दुनिया में क्या कुछ देख रहे हैं या क्या कुछ डिस्कवर कर रही हैं. रिसेंटली इन अ शॉर्ट टाइम पीरियड आई वाज विजिटेड टू माय वेरी गुड फ्रेंड who had just returned from a long walk in the woods. In the woods mean in the forest. So one of her friend has a long walk on the wood and she visited her. So she visited Helen Keller. So Helen Keller said, I asked her what she had discovered, observed. Observed mean notice. So she asked her friend what she observed in the forest. यानी वो जंगल से बहुत लंबे फासला तय करके हेलन किलर से मिलने आई थी और हेलन किलर उससे क्वेश्चन करिए कि उसने क्या ऑब्जर्व किया है, क्या नोटिस किया है. नथिंग इन पार्टिकुलर. सो हर फ्रेंड आंसर दैट शी सी नथिंग इन पार्टिकुलर मीन खास. देयर इज़ नथिंग स्पेशल शी सी इन द वुड. शी रिप्लाइड, आई माइट have been incredulous. Incredulous means doubtful. Had I not been accustomed means familiar to such response. So she was not expecting such response and she was doubtful what she is going to hear. That she don't notice anything special in the wood. It was a shocking news for her. She was shocked to hear that she never observed anything in the forest. For long ago I become convinced that the seeing see little. Convinced means persuaded यानी मैं इस बात को मान चुकी हूँ कि the person who has eyesight can see little in the world. So she don't have eyesight but she observed many things, and when she asked her question to her friend what she observed in the forest, and she answered she never see anything, any particular thing, or she never observed anything. So it was shocked Helen Keller, and she was convinced that the person who has eyesight see little. I want to show the difficult words meaning of paragraph 7, 8 and 9 and 3 questions. See paragraph number 5. The question is given, why is the rising of the sun so special for the author? So this one and first 3 questions from the textbook I am going to show you. See the answers. See paragraph number 7. Greet, welcome, delights, player, revelation, explorer. Why is the rising of the sun so special for the author? The rising of the sun is so special for the author because it brings the dawn of the new day, and she can feel and see the beauty of the nature. What does the revelation of beauty means to her? The revelation of beauty means to her that she can feel the beauty of nature and coming of spring. Paragraph number 8. Regret, be sorry, longing, desire. Inanimate, inorganic, revelated, explored. Aimed, goal. Haunt, territory, and distinction, purpose. Recently, a short time ago. Woods, forest. Observed, notice. Incredulous, doubtful. Accustomed, familiar. Convinced, persuaded. Why has she no time to waste? She has no time to waste in longing, as there is so much to see in the New York City. She wants to see the workplaces of men and their businesses of lives. So that is the answer of first 3, question number 2, 3 and 4, and you have to do till paragraph number 8. That is your home task. You have to do it on your notebook. Allah Hafiz class.